Hello my darlings, it's Dean. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my garage where we do our laundry. I am doing my laundry today, and you know what? We usually do a shop with me, right? And during the shop with me's, we go through the racks. I take you through to the fitting room. We try on everything, show you guys what I like, what I don't like, but I never kind of tell you guys what happens when I get home. So my husband hates thrift. He hates the thrift stores. He hates thrift shopping. He hates Goodwill. And he does not like it at all. He actually calls my thrifted clothes stinky thrift. You guys have been with me for a long time. You already know that. And especially if I'm shopping for Riley, he's like, no, you need to wash it 1, 2, 3 times. You got to get that smell out of there, that mildewy thrift smell. And yes, I do love thrifting, but it does have a scent. And so I'm going to introduce you to a product that I've been using so that I'm not having to wash my clothes 2 or 3 times. I can wash it 1 time and they smell amazing, and I'm not itchy and scratchy for my eczema and psoriasis and all the other skin things I have going on. But first, let's do a shop with me, a quick shop with me, to let you guys see what I found at these stores today, and then we'll come back to my laundering process. Let's look at these blazers. Oversized blazers are the thing, honey. Oh, look at that. I like this one on the shoulder. What's this? Can I do something with that one? No. Oh, what is this? This is, I don't know what this is. Something, dragon. I don't know what that is, but okay. I'm not looking for the store, I'm looking for myself. Ooh, that is hot. Oops. Alright, sorry, that fell off the hanger. It's going too fast, but I'll show you guys this. It's pretty. Oh, what is this? Is this a girdle? Oh, that's a sturdy girdle too. A girdle. That's not a girdle, that's a girdle, honey. I'm not liking anything over here thus far. George blazer. It's pretty cute with some jeans. I like the piping. I feel like I have something like that already. Pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay. Alright, let's look at some prints. Alright, so I just found this. I don't know if it's wide enough to like go on the, looks like it was made. Let's see if it stretches any. Looks like it was made by somebody. Of course all clothes are made by somebody, but I don't know if that has any stretch, but I'm loving the drama of this neck. We'll come back to that. It's a lot of print, a lot of print. This is nice. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice print. Alright, so as much as I talk about Coldwater Creek, I actually like this top. It's kind of see-through, but I love it. I paired it with this pencil skirt, just like a jersey pencil skirt, but I really like it. Let me see if I can put my hair behind the ear so you can really see it. Alright, so it has kind of like a cowl neckline. I don't know if it has enough for me to kind of wear it over there. Regardless, I like the way it fits. Just with this. Let's see. Hold on, okay. I rolled up the sleeve because that's really how I would wear it. But I just love it. I'm in this black mood. I don't know why. But like this, maybe put on like silver belt with it. some black boots, some like knee-high boots. I don't know. Can you see how like almost see-through it is? I kind of like that. I kind of like that you can see but you can't see. And so I actually will probably wear this with my jeans too. Let's see. I'll show you with my jeans. All right, this is another top. This is by Avenue. It has that same kind of see-through. Does have detail on the neck. It's like a little leather trim. The same skirt. Kind of like that. I like the other one better. I like the way it felt. This is half off of like $5. But still, if I'm not gonna wear it, I'm not gonna wear it. It has some button detail there. I like the other one better. Y'all, I just got my whole entire life. Look at these pants. These are Glamour for Lane Bryant. Oh my gosh, this is me. Christmas party. Hey guys, come in and have some eggnog. I didn't even know they made this collection. Oh my God, you know I love a big dramatic pant. With this wig too, it just screams holiday party. But I love it. I didn't know they had a collection. Now this top, let me tell you, the Coldwater Creek top is $10. So yeah, I'm not getting that. But these pants, oh, I didn't even zip it up. Sorry for the bulge. I tucked in the sweater, so it's a little bulky down there. But oh my God, oh, I love. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right. Yeah. So these pants are yes. Okay, so those beautiful Lane Bryant pants, I'm actually going to get those dry cleaned. That's not something that I would want to wash myself. I did purchase this Ashley Stewart dress. It's like a sweater dress, and it does have that Goodwill smell. So I'm going to be washing this. This sweater, you guys saw this video earlier this week. This is the sweater that I got from the Goodwill bins, and all my items from the bins are always making me sneeze, and they have that kind of itch to them, and of course they have that smell. And then of course my beautiful FAMU shawl that I got this week at the bins. So let me tell you what I'm gonna do. So you guys know that, you know, I have eczema, and so I have to be very, very careful about what I wash my clothes with. And so I use a sensitive laundry detergent, and then I've started using OdorKlenz. Let me shake it up really good before I put it in the wash. So this is actually not a detergent. I use my own sensitive detergent because you guys know my skin is just going right. And so what I do is I use my regular laundry detergent, and I add this about half a cup of the additive to the laundry, and it takes away all that nasty mildew and you know what? Come on, mouth. Mildew and mold smell and feel. And so instead of having to wash your clothes over and over again to get that smell out, especially if you have sweaters which hold smell, jeans that hold that smell, adding this to it is going to take it out. So once again, I use my regular detergent, add a half a cup of this, and I'm good to go. So let's go ahead and do some laundry. All right, so I'm setting it to a casual low agitation wash because I'm doing sweaters and I don't want the laundering process to stretch out my sweaters. So there we go. I actually like to get the water agitated before I put my sweaters in. So let's let it bubble up and see stuff. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, no stinky thrift. Yes. And so I am just literally going to take this and lay it. Actually, I'm probably going to just lay it across my ironing board. I don't want anything. I'm sorry, I just love smelling like when it smells brand new. I don't want anything to kind of stretch out my shawl, so I'm going to lay it across my ironing board over here. And then my sweater dresses, let's see, depending on The thing about it is if I hang it long ways, it may stretch, like it may, the gravity literally will pull it down. And so I may just lay this on top of the washing machine as well as my sweater here. And so, yeah, I think I'm just going to lay them all out and then that'll be it. Let them dry, let them air dry. You can chance it and put them in the laundry, in the dryer, but I wouldn't even chance it. I would just lay them out flat. All right. So I am so grateful to OdorKlenz for partnering with me on this video. You have actually saved my marriage because I am not going to stop thrifting, but I don't want to wash my clothes 2 and 3 times. It's just not it. And so I'm grateful to this product, especially for those of us who have sensitive skin and the harsh detergents are just, it's just not great for us. And guess what? These sensitive formula detergents cost a lot of money. So yeah, I was going through detergent like crazy, trying to get that milled and moldy smell out of my clothes. And so they have allowed me to give you guys a coupon code. I'm going to put it right here for 15% off of OdorKlenz. This is going to go a long way. If you're someone like me that you thrift your heart out and this is how you live your life and you want to get that smell out of your clothes so that you can lie and tell people that you got your clothes from Bloomingdale's. No, I've never done that. I'm going to leave the code for you so that you are able to shop for this. And once again, thank you to OdorKlenz for providing another layer of fabulosity to my wardrobe. And like I said, saving my marriage so that I don't have to wash my clothes 3 or 4 times. It's just, no. All right, so love you, we never pay retail. Get this, clean your clothes, get them smelling brand spanking new so that we don't have to spend hundreds of dollars with our detergents. All right, love you, never pay retail. Bye.